Hello, all. Good morning to my followers and viewers. Please, this is Righteous Technologies. If you are watching today, I have an iPhone. This is the iPhone, and the iPhone, when you plug it on charge, the screen lights will be flashing. The owner told me that it fell, and when it fell and she picked it, it started misbehaving. The phone is no more charging. When she turn it on, it will not turn on. When she put it on charge, the screen will be turning on and off. But when I put it on charge, I don't see anything like that. I want to check what is the problem. Let us check what is the problem, what is worrying the phone. You see, I have turned on my listen and plug the charger. You see, nothing is happening. Okay, first of all, let's remove the screws. And this is a prime tool that you use to hijack the screen from the housing. So let's open. It is the problem, and the phone is not turning on. Okay, usually sometimes when these things happen, it is because there is a stuck electronics or electricity inside the phone motherboard. And before you can what you can do to turn it on is you have to remove the battery. You have to remove the battery from the phone, and you have to long press the power button. This is the power button. You have to long press it for 10 seconds. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 10 seconds. Okay, let's place back the charger, the battery, and see what happens, and see the magic. Let's fix the battery back and see the magic. The battery, you have to be careful, otherwise you can destroy the battery pins. So we are fixing the battery. The battery is fixed. So okay, once you fix the battery, you have to find a way to make sure the battery is intact, it is well fitted to the board. So if it does not have this kind of plates, this phone do not have the plates. So what we do is we are using this paper. We'll cut it small and fold it. So once we fold it we will place it on the battery terminals and use this masking tape to hold it. Okay, let's try and see whether the phone will turn on or not. Let's try and see. Yeah, the magic has happened. The phone is on. Wow, let's wait and see. The phone is turning on. The phone is turning on. The phone is turning on. Well, can you now see? As you are seeing, that is my customer's phone, and I am now going to close it back to how it was. I'm now going to close it back to how it was. Let's tighten the screws. Let's tighten the screws. Let's tighten the screws. Yeah, the screws has been tightened. They are done tightening the screws, and the phone is now okay. The phone is now okay. So, as you are watching, this is King Righteous Technologies. You can please like and share. We do computer repairs, and both computers and mobile phone repairs, and we sell accessories, chargers. These are the chargers, earphones. And if you want to learn, you can come. I will teach you in a very good manner. Thank you for your time. Have a nice